Hey everyone, I just want to show you what 400,000 will get you in Taylorsville. So I'm standing in a circle, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, has a newer roof, newer furnace, nice big family room area, nice big 2-car garage as well, kitchen. You get the master, and the bathroom here, a large master, another bedroom. It is in a cul-de-sac. You do have a walkout basement as well. Needs a little bit of work, but there's some room for equity here for you. Another bedroom here, and again, these are huge bedrooms. The house was built in 1979, about 2,000 square feet. I like this walkout basement. Here's a laundry room, newer furnace, storage on this side. Really big backyard goes up in that corner. On that side, you've got plenty of room. This is what you can get for 400 in Taylorsville.